Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a very fun makeup look. I have this vibrant, colorful purple cut crease paired with a bold wing liner. So if you guys are interested in achieving this look, whether you are a beginner or pro, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. For today's eye look, I'm using the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. I'm going to begin by taking the cool tone purple shade, and with my E70 medium angled shading brush from Sigma, I'm blending the color in the shape that I want my cut crease line to be. Then we're going to go into the electric purple color, and with a detailed eye shading brush from e.l.f., I'm going to begin by adding definition to the crease line that we just mapped out. So basically we're just adding more definition and adding more intensity with this bright purple color. Then we will be moving on to cut the crease. I'm using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, and with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to begin by cutting the crease. Since I already had my other eye done, I just went by that and tried to make the lines as even and as similar as possible. To set the concealer on our eyelids, I'm going to take that bright white eyeshadow and we're going to pack this on the entire eyelid area. For me, a cut crease wouldn't be complete without a winged liner, so I'm going in with my NYX matte liquid eyeliner. I'm going to begin by mapping out the edge of the wing, and then we're going to connect it back down to the lash line. I swear wing liner looks so much easier on camera than it really is, because girl, I was struggling. I'm going to add a little bit of glitter accent, so I'm going with my Fancy C Makers Silver Liquid Eyeliner from Wet n Wild. I believe this was from a Halloween collection, but you use any silver glitter you would like. I basically applied it right below our crease line and right above our liquid eyeliner. And for our lashes, I'm going to pop on the Ardell 817 lashes. Alrighty guys, time for the face. We're gonna go in and moisturize our skin with our MAC Strobe Cream. I love how dewy this makes my skin look. It makes it look super healthy and vibrant. It just gives the skin a good vibe. Alrighty, and for our foundation, we're going to go in with our Covergirl Healthy Vitalist Foundation. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. It gives medium to full coverage. It looks beautiful, it looks natural, and it looks super healthy on the skin. Hence the name Healthy Elixr Foundation. And we will be blending that in the skin with our damp beauty blender. This is the new Sapphire Beauty Blender. Of course, I could not live without concealer. I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade L9. I'm going to apply this on the under eye area, on the chin, cupid's bow, nose, and the forehead. And we're going to bronze while we let that concealer set. So I'm going to use my Benefit Cheek Parade palette, but I'm taking the Hoola bronzer. And we're going to apply our bronzer with our Sigma F40 contour brush. And once we are done contouring, we're going to go ahead and blend out the concealer that we have been leaving. So we're going to go ahead and blend that out before it dries down too much. So we're going to get that taken care of. And as always, I'm using my beauty blender. I'm using stippling motions just to press the product into the skin. We're going to do a quick set today. We're using our Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder in the shade Fair. I'm going to apply this under the under eye area as always. And if you've been watching my tutorials, you know that I love to bake, so we're gonna leave that setting powder there for a few minutes while we finish up the rest of the face. And we're gonna look a little strange while we do it. We're gonna hop back over to the eyes. I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner Pencil in 0, and I'm going to lightly, very gently line the lower waterline. And we're gonna move over back to that first shade that we used from the palette and our E70 medium angled shading brush, and we're going to smoke this color along the entire lower lash line. And then we're gonna move over to the second color that we used with the same brush, and we're gonna focus this on the outer portion of our lower lash line. We're gonna move back over to the face, and before the powder gets too dry and gross on the skin, we're gonna go ahead and quickly dust that away. I'm using the NYX Duochromatic Illuminating Powder, and this is in the shade Twilight Twinkle. Twilight Tint. We're gonna go ahead and apply that with our Sigma Tapered Highlighting Brush. So we're gonna go ahead and casually apply like 100 layers of that all over the face. I have the perfect lip color for this look, and I'm so excited about it. It's the Milk lip color in the shade Girl. And to set the look in place, I'm going in with the MAC Fix Plus Gold Light, and we're going to mist this all over the face. I hope that you guys enjoy this makeup look. Make sure that you guys subscribe before you head out so you don't miss out on any of the future posts that I make here on my channel. Jesus loves you guys so very much. You have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.